Let's learn how to make a scene like this in Blender with just one car model and one HDRI. And finally, to create this beautiful image. So let's go. First of all, use Blender Kit add-in and type in your favorite car and download it for free. Lots of free models. It is in which you can download any one for free. I choose this model. Now we need a HDRI. The best place to download the most beautiful HDRI is Polyhaven site. You can download any one you want for free. I choose this one. Now enter the World section and from Color select Environment Texture. Now select your HDRI. Go to Rendered View. That's fine, but there is a big problem. Car is floated in our scene. So, let's fix this. Go to Mesh and add a sphere. Then scale it. Go to Edit Mode and select Wireframe. And select these vertices. Then press SC and 0. And finally bring it up. Now, as you can see, the car fell right into the sphere. Now we need to put our HDRI on the sphere. From this section select Shader Editor. Click on New and delete Principled. We don't need it. Now press Shift A to add an emission. Then add Diffuse BSDF. Now attach them to a mix shader. Okay. Now we need an environment texture. And select your HDRI. Finally connect Mix Shader to output. Okay. Cool. But as you can see, we still have one problem. So, let's add a texture coordinate and mapping. Attach vector to vector. Then object to vector. Now just change the Z location. Okay. It's great, but we still have one problem. We don't have shadow. So, our scene is not so realistic. Press Shift A and add a sun. Then grab it outside the sphere. And determine the path of the sun's radiation. Now select the sphere and go to Object. From Visibility, let's uncheck the shadow. As you can see now, we have a little shadow. So, select your sun and increase the strength. Yes, but it is so bright. I think 5 is good. Cool. How about making our car a little sporty? So beautiful. Now add a camera. You can press N and check the camera to view. Now you can control your camera. Where do you think the best view is? Hold the camera wherever you like. Then go to Render and select Cycles and GPU Compute. Then go to Color Management and select High Contrast. Now render your image. Cool. I think this view is so much better. Cool. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.